Hello everybody and welcome to the end of the world cooking vlog. I have taken some sunflower oil and rubbed it on this giant log of yeast bread. And underneath, I have my water. Delki's helping. So I'm gonna close this up and let this activate the bread. Hi Foxy. Hello baby. It's gonna start rising and in a couple hours it'll be nice and fluffy. I just have to keep tending to that throughout the day. And this. Hi baby. So I have more water boiling and I have to heat up the dough some more. It's going to be a very long baking process, longer than normal, only because Doug has decided we're having dinner with the family tonight by forgetting that I was making dinner. So when we get home, probably around 11 or 12, I'll finish making our dinner and it'll become apocalyptic lunch, I guess. Rise, my pretty. Now let me explain. I went to dump the cold water out and moved too fast and it splooshed, so now I have to mop my floor. Okay, I'm home and it's time to check on what our dough looks like and if I need it to rise more. I have water boiling just in case. Turn on the light. It's getting big, but I think I can get it bigger. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, rolling boil. Here we go, boys. All right, so the next parts of this meal are super crucial. And it comes down to the meat. You need sausage, bacon. Not all of this bacon, mind you, but we're gonna be using a good portion of it. Cabbage. Here's how it's gonna go. We put in the sausage, do the bacon, and then in that leftover residual, like yummy fat for flavor, we cook up this cabbage. So don't wanna wash it in between. So usually when I cook with meat on my cutting board, I put down some wax or parchment paper just to like save the pores of this thing. And I try to only cook veg on it. Oh no. Look at that. Almost. There we go. Easy. I'm gonna freeze the rest for next time we need it. And I'm just gonna dice this up for after the sausage. Got extremely distracted, but we can check in on the bread now. And yup, that's satisfying. Sausage is now at a very beautiful golden brown point, so I'm going to take it off of the heat and put it in a bowl. Aw, yeah. Probably should have separated this before I put it in. Oh well, you live, you learn. It's reducing nicely, kind of slightly smells like cabbage farts, but you know, that's what we expect here. So I'm gonna crack some more pepper into it because I feel like you can't over pepper a dish like this because the way everything combines and soaks in is just so delicious. So here I have my brown sugar, my flour, my bacon and sausage. Just pretend I'm all dainty like as I salt bay my cabbage with sugar, actually. Cabbage is reducing really well. Let's give it a try. Needs to be sweeter. Needs more pepper. But it's done cooking. For sure. Done cooking. Done. I can start preheating the oven. So all combines this beautiful glossiness. Look at it. Oh, bacon. My love. Some days you don't get as big of a yield as you'd like. I do have leftovers, so I'm gonna make more bread tomorrow, I believe. And I'm gonna cook these babies up at 375 until golden brown. Okay, so all the sizzles is just the juices, but they're done. They're not as golden brown as I want. I have no idea what's going on today. It's probably because I'm filming and you guys have jinxed me. So I'm gonna do a brushing of butter on each of these to soften it up a bit. The dough's cooked all the way, so I'm gonna call it good. Look at this money shot. It's almost like this light was made for this moment. Boom, eating two. There goes my entire stock. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. Love you.